Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Mr. Gupta Ibrahim is here again with your new topic in social studies. In previous sessions, we have done the types of industries, importance of industries, and major industries of Pakistan. Now we will do the small scale industries, which are known as cottage industries. What are cottage industries? We have to do the definition. Families that begin to manufacture goods in their own homes for other people for profit. So this is known as the cottage industry. Another definition: a business or manufacturing activity carried on in people's homes or on a small setup. So those business activities or manufacturing activities which are carried on a very small setup, for example, in homes of the people, are known as the cottage industry. कॉटेज इंडस्ट्रीज ऐसी छोटी स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज होती हैं जो लोग अपने घरों में काम करना शुरू कर देते हैं, कुछ लोग वर्कर्स को जमा करके और बहुत सारी चीजें मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं. Examples of cottage industries in Pakistan are textiles, embroidery, jewelry, ceramics, cutlery, woodwork, and sports goods. Carpet. Carpets make a significant contribution to export earning. They are generally hand woven and hand knotted, made of wool, silk, or a mixture of two. So carpet industry makes a significant contribution. It earns a lot of foreign exchange by exporting the carpets to other countries. Textile industry is another famous industry of Pakistan, found with a variety of designs, techniques. For example, कौन सी commodities produce करते हैं ये? सूसी, which is famous in Sindhi culture, chunri, goski, and ajrak is also used in Sindhi culture. So Pakistan is the 8th largest exporter of textile commodity in Asia. Textile. So through the textile commodities, Pakistan earns a lot of huge profit, huge amount of foreign exchange by exporting textile commodities to other world. Embroidery. For Pakistan's embroidery work is also famous not only in Asia but in some European and American countries also. Embroidery has developed to a fine art with distinctive regional designs and patterns. The main textile area in country is situated in 3 cities which are Faisalabad, Karachi and Lahore. यहाँ पर डिस्टिंक्टिव डिजाइंस, रीजनल डिजाइंस, जो वहाँ के रीजनल डिजाइन यानी कि वहाँ के मकामी लोगों के जो फेमस डिजाइन्स होते हैं, उनका कल्चर होता है, उसको वो अपने फैब्रिक पे एम्ब्रॉयडरी कर कर एक्सपोज करते हैं. तो दिस एम्ब्रॉयडरी, हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी एंड मशीन एम्ब्रॉयडरी इज फेमस थ्रू आउट द कंट्री एंड it improved the wealth of Pakistan also. Jewelry. Gold and silver smiths are one of the largest communities of craftsmen and much is sold in cities. तो जितने भी ये गोल्ड और सिल्वर ज्वेलरीज हैं, ये बहुत ही खूबसूरत डिजाइन की ज्वेलरी पाकिस्तान में तैयार होती है, विच इज फेमस थ्रू आउट पाकिस्तान एंड इन थ्रू आउट एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट. Ceramics, clay and terracotta pottery utensils continue to be of great practical importance. क्ले और टेराकोटा के बने हुए जो सिरामिक्स होते हैं, they are of great importance. और many designs of pitchers, urns, bowls, jugs, plates and pots seen today are most identical to those uncovered at archaeological sites around country. What is mean by that? It means कि जो आजकल टेराकोटा और क्ले से सिरामिक्स are manufactured, they are similar to those pottery work which was found through the ancient civilizations like हड़प्पा मोहनजोदाड़ो से जो हमें pottery work मिला है, तो आज की जो pottery work है उनसे बहुत ज्यादा मिलता जुलता है, identical है. फिर ब्लू ग्लेज टाइल्स बनते हैं, शीशाकारी की जाती है टाइल्स के ऊपर, ब्लू ग्लेज टाइल के, वो इज that blue glaze tiles are used to decorate many of the mosques in Pakistan. तो हमारी जो मस्जिदें हैं, मॉस्क हैं, इनके फ्लोर्स और वॉल्स पर ब्लू ग्लेज टाइल्स यूज किए जाते हैं फॉर डेकोरेशन. Woodwork. Sawat Valley is famous for architectural woodwork and furniture. A beautiful woodwork with precious wood is used in making furniture and architectural woodwork in Sawat. Cutlery. Waziristan is the city of cutlery industry in Pakistan. The industry is growing day by day and has a great share in export. ये देखें कटलरी बहुत ही परफेक्टली मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है पाकिस्तान में. ये सिर्फ ना fulfilling the demands of local market but also exported to other countries, and this industry is growing day by day. रोज बरोज इसमें इजाफा होता जा रहा है इस इंडस्ट्री में. नेक्स्ट है स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स. Sport goods of Pakistan are famous throughout the world. They are perfectly manufactured in Pakistan's cottage industries. Or these export goods earn about 3.7% of our total export. जितनी भी एक्सपोर्ट होती है उसका 3.5% तो सिर्फ एक्सपोर्ट क्या होता है हमारा स्पोर्ट्स गुड्स एक्सपोर्ट होते हैं. कौन कौन से बनते हैं यहाँ पर? फुटबॉल, हॉकी बॉल, hockey sticks, cricket bats and rackets are mostly manufactured by hand. The skilled workers are available in सियालकोट एंड लाहौर. क्या आपने देखा था फीफा टूर्नामेंट ऑफ फुटबॉल में जितने भी फुटबॉल्स यूज होती हैं वो पाकिस्तान से जाती हैं. मुल्तानी एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड फुटवेयर are also famous throughout the world. Multani, for example, Khusa produces a wide range of footwear. Look at here in this picture, beautiful designs are on the top of all the shoes. They are very famous throughout the world. Surgical instruments, they are not produced to the local market but also supplied to international market. All these surgical instruments are used in medicinal clinics or in operation theaters of Pakistan, and they are also exported to other countries. Hyderabadi bangles are also famous throughout Asia. These bangles are exported to other Asian countries and earn a lot of foreign exchange. Now, after doing all these types of cottage industries, what we have to do, we have to discuss the role of cottage industry in rural areas. Rural areas are known as the village areas. अच्छा, क्या वहाँ पर होता है रोल कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री का? नंबर वन है, इट प्रोवाइड्स एम्प्लॉयमेंट टू द पीपल ऑफ दैट एरिया वेयर कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री इज एस्टेब्लिश्ड. जिस भी रीजन में या एरिया में कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री है तो इट विल प्रोवाइड the employment to the people of that area. So by getting the employment, people can earn the money for themselves. फिर वो अगर उन्हें employment मिल जाएगा तो जाहिर है वो पैसे earn करने लगेंगे, कमाने लगेंगे और फिर अपनी ज़रूरियात पूरी करेंगे. फिर another benefit क्या होता है कि promotion of artistic and creative sense. It promotes the artistic sense and creativity among the people. Rural development. Cottage industry also brings a lot of development in the region where it is developed. Mobilization of local resources. All the resources which we get from the extraction of land and sea are utilized as the raw materials. So the raw materials or resources are not wasted. Less burden on imports. If we manufacture so many variety of goods in cottage industries, so we need not to import the things from other countries. So cottage industry production decreases the imports. अगर हम खुद ही कॉटेज इंडस्ट्री में हर चीज बनाने लगेंगे तो हमें क्या जरूरत है कि दूसरे कंट्रीज से हम चीजें खरीदें. तो बर्डन ऑन इंपोर्ट्स कम हो जाता है, यानी कि डिक्रीज इंपोर्ट जो है वो कम होने डिक्रीज होना शुरू हो जाती है। सिर्फ हम एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं, दूसरी वर्ल्ड को अपनी चीजें हम सेल करते हैं। After this, here is an assignment for you. Copy work. Do this. These fill in the blanks in your copy, and CRQs also in your copy. Before doing this, read the topic in your book thoroughly. Then do this work. Acha, if you have any queries, you can ask me in our live class, Zoom class. Till then, that's all for today's session. Allah Hafiz. Stay home, stay safe.